Hi everyone, it's Dee's. I thought I would show you my daughter's tropical fish aquarium that she recently set up. I'm pretty sure it's a 29-litre fish tank. I'm not sure how many gallons that equates to, but you can look that up yourself if you like. It's a reasonable size one. It's not huge or anything. It's just sitting here on the kitchen bench, and I thought it would be nice just to show you some of the fish. They're swimming around quite fast. They're all small fish. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So it's quite relaxing to just sit and watch the fish. Once we move in our home, in our new house, I'm hoping to get a bigger aquarium, maybe, I don't know, 100 to 150 litres maybe, and I'm not sure if I want cold water or tropical. Those orange fish and the yellow, they are guppies. The smaller fish tend to swim around much faster. So, and she has some neon tetras. She started off with 8. She now has 7. That's the neighbourhood kids. If you hear that screaming. And now their dog's going, but that's okay. We'll keep going. There's a beautiful orange and white guppy. So she's filled it with fake plants and this beautiful resin rock. And the fish love to have, some of the fish are more territorial than others, so they love to have places to hide. You can see there's a little tetra just peeking out, neon tetras, and he loves to hide right in there. And that's whitish blue. He's one of the faster ones, so he's hard to catch, to look at, but he is a blue glow tetra, I think they're called. And she has a couple of zebradanios in here, but they're quite new and they're hiding. They're probably hiding behind this rock. Oh, here's one right on the top. There. So he has beautiful blue and silver striping. So she has 2 of those. And if we look down the bottom of the plant, he's just around the back of the plant at the moment. She has some little shrimp. And of course they're all hiding. But they're obviously ground dwellers and they like to clean up. They're like little vacuum cleaners and they clean up all the algae and whatever else is laying around the place. So she has two of these striped, red and white striped shrimp, and I think she has 3 or 4 red shrimp. She wants to get blue, but she's probably getting close to reaching the amount of fish that she should have for this size tank. There's a couple of red shrimp hiding in this plant here. You might see those dark patches. That's where they're hiding. When she bought those, they were ready to lay eggs. So of course they've laid the eggs in the plant here, but unfortunately, once they hatch, I think the other fish will eat them. So, because they'll be just way too small. But I absolutely love the neon tetras. They look really nice, especially grouped together. So, starting a tank up, the first week is quite crucial because the toxins build up, and she actually lost one of the neons, but that's the only casualty she had out of all these fish so far. She's had the tank for about 3 weeks, so oh, here we go. Here's the striped shrimp doing his little daily vacuum of the tank. They're quite cute. They're so small though. Now he's going to disappear around the back of the plant. And there's another type of guppy. She has 2 of those. They're almost like an opal. They have lots of colours on them. And we have a phantom shrimp, which I've just spotted. He's very hard to see. Where is he? There he is. Can you see him moving? He was mistakenly placed in the bag when she bought the red shrimp. We call him the phantom shrimp because he's very hard to see and find. Very transparent. But he's cleaning away. He's the smallest of them all. Look at him. They have very long, I don't know what you call them, antennas or something, feelers, but they're hard to see. And he's busy cleaning. It's almost like a competition between us to see who can find him. You see what they're doing with their little legs at the front? Busy sweeping away all the grime. Oh, and here comes the striped shrimp on the right. I would love to get a saltwater tank, but it's too much science for me. I don't think they would last long. It's hard enough keeping tropical fish. See, they're busy, busy, busy. And I just love these green pearlescent stones she bought. So, at first glance you might not think there's a lot going on in the tank, but there actually is. You can get little green shrimps like this size, but they want $70 for one. I think that's ridiculous. That's Australian dollars. So if she had another pump, we could put a hose to the pump and bring that inside with one of those little air stones, and that creates a lot of bubbles. So you can attach those to like little decorative clamshells or little divers, all sorts of things, and it just gives a little bit of interest to the tank as well. So that's what I might do with mine if I ever get one. If I do, it won't be for at least a year, but we'll see. So the construction to our house will be happening soon. The land has settled, so yeah, just a little update there for those of you who are wondering. And for those who don't know, I'm living with my daughter. Hubby and I are living with my daughter while we build a house. We sold our house of 22 years and we're staying with my daughter and her husband while we build. So that's exciting. That's going to start very soon. So I'm really looking forward to settling in and getting back into creating more content for you. It's been really difficult being able to, find time to record. And I don't have all my equipment here with me, so I just record whenever I can. And of course I have my other craft channel, or vlogging channel, I don't know what you call it. I've got a lot of crafts on there, but I thought I'd have more up on that too, but it's very difficult, so I do have more, I think, content on there at the moment, because I don't have to wait for everything to be very quiet so much as I do on my ASMR channel. So let's see what this little shrimp's doing again. Look at the tail. naughty fish. Yeah, so it's not really a good idea to have, it was a bit risky putting the shrimp in just with the guppies, because we thought they might try and have a bit of a nibble at the shrimp, but so far they've been holding their own, so I wouldn't want to go with fish much bigger than that. Of course, we're no experts at fish keeping, so oh, it's one of those colourful guppies having a nibble at the rock. So I'm just going to end the video here because the neighbour's dog and children are starting to get a little bit rowdy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.